Hi, I'm Robert Fruewirth, Finance Product Manager at Pronto Software, and I'm looking forward to showing you the updated features in the Finance module for Pronto Xi 780. In this round of updates, we're revamping and streamlining your user interface, UI, and user experience, UX, for the majority of the finance functions. This will provide a clear view of your financials data. Our finance updates focus on improving the readability of your financial transactions. Using screen sections in a single window, you can view both sides of your transaction without the need to switch screens. This enables you to review information easily, reduce errors, and make informed decisions faster with a more holistic view of your data. Your General Ledger, or GL, has been updated with an enhanced UX for improved readability and processing. Some other major GL changes include having your lists integrated into your workflows. Lists can be created on the fly, saved for repeated use, updated dynamically, or be fixed. They'll revolutionise how you process data in Pronto. The finance area has been fully converted to use lists. Another great new feature is the ability to enter a keyword into a GL field that automatically returns sets of viable options. Traditionally, this involved launching a separate mode. BankLink has been introduced to configure the integration for automatic bank feeds. More about this later. Zooming into some other GL feature changes. You can now view GL cash payments and cash receipts in one screen with the bank entry at the top section and simultaneously with the allocation breakdown in the bottom section. GL hierarchy views have also been updated to be made responsive with screen sections for notes and audits. This is a useful feature when using the hierarchy views to manage the budgeting process. For instance, notes can be entered for any changes at the budgeted line level. The tax cycle screen has also been made responsive with row details and full details in separate screen sections, allowing you to view more in-depth information in a single screen without needing to click away. In the accounts payable side, we'll focus mainly on supplier lists and invoice payments. 20 functions have been updated, including lists also being incorporated into workflows and supplier accounts having keyword search capabilities. Contextual search has also been integrated, meaning that when you search for a supplier within a function, we only show suppliers that meet the criteria. For instance, if we're searching on supplier deals, only suppliers with active deals will be returned. Some other significant UX updates include invoice entry has been overhauled with the data grid extended so key information is clearly visible. A new total section has been added to summarise data entered. Invoice payments has been responsified and list enabled, so paying the right suppliers at the right time is easier and quicker. Also, the invoice selection screen has been integrated for a more ergonomic look. Suppliers' outstanding amounts are displayed based on the selected lists with their associated commitments in a child screen. And the accounts payable foreign exchange revaluation function has been improved with preview presented in a data grid and list enabled. Noting the accounts receivable version has also had the same improvement. We have a lot of new updates in the accounts receivable side with over 25 functions updated, notably having list processing enabled across the module and improved keyword search being integrated into customer code lookup. Contextual search has also been fitted out, like mentioned in suppliers. For instance, unallocated cash allocation only returns customers with current unallocated transactions. Cash receipts has also been overhauled with a focus on providing the simplest and clearest process. The previous automatic allocation mode has been improved to find exact matches of the cash receipt. If not, there is also a simple fallback to the most user-friendly allocation screen with outstanding invoices on the top section and their details in a child section for full visibility and easy processing. Overdue invoices has been improved to become more intuitive now and is also laid out in a form having list processing incorporated as well. Lastly, I'm excited to announce our integration with BAS IQ. Now you can link your business bank accounts for over-the-air importing of bank transactions into our new bank reconciliation. Most Australian banks are supported, about 100, and it's free. No more manual downloading of bank statements is required, thus also saving time and potential duplicate imports. To wrap up, there are 3 things I'd like to emphasise. 1, we've worked hard to optimise and streamline your general ledger, accounts payable and accounts receivable viewing experience, allowing you to see more information in a single screen with significantly less navigation. 2, improve contextual and keyword search capabilities for both Accounts Payable and Accounts Receivable modules. This will allow you to find and segment the data you want even faster and easier than ever. And finally, our integration with BAS IQ. This will simplify your reconciliation of bank statements while also mitigating potential errors and duplicating imports. Thank you so much for listening, and I hope you're as excited as I am for these updates.